Hi guys, another video on how to with Palm Beach Classics. Today I'm going to show you how to install a brand new stainless steel exhaust system on a 1987 560 SL. Alright, you guys are ready? By the way, we do custom make all stainless steel exhaust system for all classic Mercedes-Benz. Contact us at palmbeachclassics.com for more information. Let's start. So right here I have my complete exhaust system custom built for this 1987 560 SL in stainless steel, and the hardware over here. So as you can see, this is the original exhaust system on this 560 SL, and we are going to install a new stainless steel exhaust system on this 560 SL. One of the issues you're gonna have is with rusted bolts, so you're gonna have to be patient and carefully remove them. If you do not have a choice and you're having a problem, then you're gonna have to start cutting the bolts. Alright guys, so here what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the old exhaust. We have already removed the bolts, so everything is fine. Upper left, upper right, right here at the catalytic right here. We have disconnected the catalytic converter right here, sensor right here. It is off the car. Everything is good. I'm checking all the details. We are now ready to go, and let's just remove this baby out of this car.